Best fishing reel. Are you looking for the best fishing reel? In this video we will look at some of the best fishing reel on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Okuma Ceymar A. The Okuma Ceymar A stands out as an excellent all-around spinning reel, combining dependable performance with an affordable price. Its solid construction and refined design make it a strong choice for anglers who want smooth operation without overspending. Equipped with a 7+1 ball bearing system, the reel delivers consistently fluid retrieves with minimal friction or wobble, even under steady use. When a fish is hooked, the multi-disc, oiled felt drag system engages smoothly and progressively. This controlled drag allows fish to make runs without sudden resistance, reducing the risk of snapped monofilament or weakened knots. As tester Chris Maxer observed, at first glance, the Ceymar A looks far more modern and stylish than many older designs. Once I started fishing with it, though, its exceptionally smooth performance showed it's much more than just good looks. It feels sturdy, precise, and confidence-inspiring. One of the most noticeable upgrades in the new Ceymar A series is the addition of TPE handle knobs, which replaced the foam knobs found on earlier models that were prone to wear over time. This update significantly improves comfort and durability. That said, the reel does have a few quirks. It runs slightly smaller than many similarly labeled reels, such as standard 3000 size models, and it's a bit heavier than expected for its compact frame. However, this added weight helps balance the reel well on most rods, even if the proportions look slightly unusual. In comparison testing, the Penn Pursuit 4 and Pflueger President came very close in performance. While the Pflueger excels in line management and the Penn offers similar value at a higher price, the Ceymar A ultimately wins on overall affordability, making it a smart, well-rounded option for most anglers fishing streams, lakes, rivers, or from a boat. Number 2. Okuma Aria A. The Okuma Aria A delivers the smoothest drag performance of any budget spinning reel we tested, earning it our top Best Buy recommendation for most anglers. Designed with a lightweight graphite frame, the reel keeps overall weight down, though it does feel somewhat plasticky in places. Even so, its drag system more than makes up for that shortcoming. As tester Chris noted, "I can't argue with how silky smooth the drag is." I was especially impressed by its low startup inertia and how easily it let out line when a large trout made a sudden run. That kind of controlled, consistent drag is rare at this price point and makes a noticeable difference when fighting fish. With a measured weight of 7.7 ounces and a 5.0 to 1 gear ratio, the Aria A is well suited for fishing in streams, lakes, rivers, or from a boat. It feels comfortable in hand and performs reliably during steady retrieves and light to moderate fights. Naturally, there are compromises at this budget level. Line management is not as refined as reels that cost several times more. The fast spool oscillation tends to lay line loosely, which can create gaps where monofilament may dig into itself. This can reduce casting distance, especially when using cheaper or stiffer line and when retrieving under varying tension. Fortunately, this issue is common among inexpensive reels and can be minimized by pairing the Aria A with a higher quality, limp monofilament, or braided line. In testing, similarly priced reels like the Daiwa Strikeforce cast exceptionally well with braid and even handled powerful sea-run coho salmon. While its drag wasn't as refined, it proved that affordable reels can still land big fish. Overall, the Okuma Aria A stands out for its exceptional drag performance and unbeatable value, making it an excellent choice for anglers on a budget. Number 3. Garcia Revo SX. If fishing is more than a casual pastime and truly a way of life, the Garcia Revo SX is the reel to own. It is, without question, the most solidly constructed reel we tested, and its on-the-water performance matches its premium build quality. From the moment it's in hand, the Revo SX feels precise, powerful, and purpose-built for serious anglers. Casting performance is outstanding, thanks in part to the angled spool lip design, which helps reduce friction and extend casting distance. Line control is equally impressive. The slow spool oscillation lays line evenly and tightly, resulting in fewer tangles and consistently smooth retrieves. During testing, the drag remained exceptionally smooth and predictable at every setting, delivering confidence whether fighting small panfish or hard-charging predators. Tester Chris summed it up perfectly. From the first snap of the crisp bail, I knew this reel was special. The long, slow spool movement is mesmerizing, and the handle feels like it's connected to a precision instrument. I actually had to force myself to stop using it so I could finish testing the others. That level of praise speaks volumes about how enjoyable and capable the Revo SX truly is. Weighing just 7.6 ounces and featuring a fast 6.2:1 gear ratio, the Revo SX is well suited for streams, lakes, rivers, and boat fishing. It balances speed, strength, and finesse exceptionally well. The only real downside is the price. The Revo SX costs more than most competing reels, and the upfront investment may give some anglers pause. However, its durability, refined performance, and striking design suggest it will last for years. For a more affordable alternative, the Pflueger President offers excellent line management and a smooth drag, but it simply can't match the raw power and expedition-ready confidence of the Abu Garcia Revo SX when a true trophy fish is on the line. Number 4. Daiwa BG2500. When targeting saltwater species, having a reel built specifically for harsh marine conditions makes all the difference, and the Daiwa BG2500 delivers exactly that. Designed with a rugged aluminum housing and a waterproof drag system, this reel consistently performed at the top of its class during weeks of testing from piers, jetties, and boats. It feels strong, dependable, and ready to handle the corrosive challenges of saltwater fishing. The drag system stands out for both power and precision. It offers ample stopping force when battling larger, hard-fighting fish while remaining smooth and controllable throughout the fight. One tester remarked, "The drag dial was one of my favorites, giving excellent feedback with clearly spaced, confident clicks." That level of adjustability inspires confidence when conditions change quickly on the water. Comfort and control are equally impressive. The ergonomic handle features a wide grip that feels secure even with wet hands, allowing for steady retrieves and better leverage under load. The instant anti-reverse system engages immediately the moment it's activated, eliminating back play and improving hook setting power. Casting performance was another highlight, producing long, accurate casts that made it easier to place lures precisely around structure or into tight openings. Weighing 11.7 ounces with a 5.6:1 gear ratio, the BG2500 is well suited for ocean fishing, piers, jetties, and boat use, striking a solid balance between power and efficiency. The only notable drawback is the bail. While it performed reliably throughout testing, its thin wire construction doesn't quite match the otherwise premium feel of the reel. Even so, the Daiwa BG2500 remains difficult to beat. For anglers on a tighter budget, the Pen Pursuit 4 offers a corrosion-resistant graphite body and sealed stainless steel bearings at a much lower price, but it lacks the refined strength and confidence-inspiring performance of the Daiwa BG2500. Number 5. Daiwa Tatula MQ LT. The Daiwa Tatula MQ LT delivers outstanding performance at a price point that undercuts many high-end competitors, making it one of the best values in its class. Tested in the 2500 size, this reel features a fast 6.2:1 gear ratio, weighs just 6.7 ounces, and is equipped with an 8+1 bearing system that contributes to its exceptionally smooth operation. Priced around $200 and available in sizes ranging from 1,000 to 4,000, the Tatula MQ LT is versatile enough to cover virtually any bass fishing application. What immediately stands out is the reel's crisp, refined feel. From the one-piece monocoque MQ body to the machined aluminum handle and Daiwa's airdrive rotor and bail, every component feels lightweight, rigid, and precisely engineered. The result is a reel that feels incredibly solid in hand while remaining effortless to fish all day. Despite costing less than half the price of premium models like the Xenon MGX, the Tatula MQ LT holds its own in both build quality and performance. One of the most impressive features is the bail mechanism. It opens and closes with remarkable smoothness, requiring only the slightest turn of the handle to engage. None of the other reels tested matched this level of ease and responsiveness. The reel also includes a convenient fill line on the spool, simplifying the spooling process and helping anglers achieve optimal line capacity. Although it is slightly heavier than the top best overall option, this extra weight is barely noticeable on the water and is offset by the Tatula's strong, smooth drag system and broader size availability. With no obvious drawbacks to note, the Daiwa Tatula MQ LT stands out as a durable, precision-built reel that offers exceptional performance and value for serious anglers.